50 years, HellermannTyton has been at the forefront of manufacturing excellence, designing innovative solutions for fastening, fixing, connecting, insulating, and protecting. Our commitment to precision, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology sets us apart, driving industries forward with world-class engineering. Innovation begins with digitization, streamlining our processes for greater efficiency and sustainability. We've implemented a fully paperless system, eliminating waste while ensuring seamless production. Digital screens at each machine provide instant access to work instructions, packaging details, and setting sheets, reducing errors and improving workflow. Our Plant Master system provides live automated performance tracking, offering real-time insights into machine efficiency. This data-driven approach allows us to continuously refine and enhance our operations. By embracing smart technology, we are creating a more connected and efficient manufacturing environment. Automation is transforming our production capabilities, ensuring the perfect outcome every time. At HellermannTyton South Africa, we design and build our own automation cells tailored for seamless integration into our processes. Our 5-axis and 6-axis robots work together to manipulate, assemble, and inspect components with unmatched accuracy. AI-powered camera inspections detect color, barcodes, and measurements in real time, ensuring every product meets our high standards. We also develop custom 3D printed end-of-arm tooling, enhancing flexibility and performance while maintaining full quality control. Through automation, we guarantee stable production through improved efficiency that leads to a flawless end product. HellermannTyton's future is built on continuous innovation. We are expanding camera inspection systems to enhance quality control and implementing additional automation to further optimize production. To drive long-term success, we are equipping our workforce with advanced automation and programming skills that will empower the next generation of industry leaders. By investing in both technology and people, we remain at the forefront of global manufacturing excellence. At HellermannTyton, we don't just manufacture products, we engineer the future. Through digitization, automation, and a relentless drive for improvement, we are shaping the future of manufacturing by delivering precision at every step. HellermannTyton, where technology meets excellence.